around on fleek, huh? You the one that started from the bike farm. Make them dollars out the street, huh? Baddest that you ever seen, huh?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me game day edition. I don't know if you guys know, but I am a part of the dance team here at my school. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I get ready for the game. If you are new to my channel, my name is Chloe and I make videos every single Friday, and I would love for you to be a part of this little party we got going on. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, and without further ado, let's just get on with the video. So first I'm going to start off with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer, and I just started using this and I've been really liking it so far. So I'm just going to put it in the areas where my pores are really huge, so like here. While the primer is sitting on my face, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm just going to do something really simple because I did just do my eyebrows, so I don't really need to fill them in that much. So I'm just going to be using the Tarte Busy Gal Brows. Shout out to Marissa for giving me this because I love it, and I love you, Marissa, so thanks, girl. Next, I'm going to be doing my eyes, and I like to do my eyes because then there's not that much fallout. And yeah, so my dance team, we do smoky eyes, so I'm just going to do a quick little smoky eye. So I'm going to be using the ColourPop Cute AF palette, and I'm just going to be using this to do my smoky eye. First, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn, and I'm just going to put this on my eyelids. I'm just going to blend that out with this little concealer brush. After I put on the LA Girl Pro Conceal, I'm going to set my eyelids with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I love this powder. I swear by this. If you guys are looking for a nice setting powder, this is the best setting powder I think I have ever used. So to begin the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this color, and I'm just going to use this as a transition shade. So now that my transition shade is on, I'm going to darken it up a little bit. So I'm going to be using this dark color in like my outer V. So next I'm going to be using the Stila, I forgot what these are called. Like, they're like liquid eyeshadows, and I got it in the color Smoldering Satin, and everybody on my team uses this color and it just looks really, really pretty. Sorry, I look crazy when I do my makeup, but you guys get it. So now that the eyeshadow's on, I'm just going to darken it up a little bit more with that same brown shade that I used. So now we are done with the eyes, and now we're just going to move on to the rest of the face. I'm going to be using my favorite Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm in the color 420. And I'm just going to shake this up a bit just so that it's nice and combined and mixed, because we don't want separating foundation on our face. So next I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty concealer, and I'm in the shade 410. I tried 420, but it was a little bit too dark. So yeah, so I'm just going to be using this to conceal my under eyes. We're gonna let this concealer set a little bit, so we're just gonna bump up some tunes.
I'm just trying to be nice to you. Go and tell a nigga no with an ass so fat. Hey, why you wanna go and do that? Love, huh? Wanna do that? Love, huh? Hey, why you wanna go and do that? Or do that?
So after my concealer is all blended, I'm just going to use the same Laura Mercier powder and just set my under eye. So we're almost done. So next I'm going to be using the Fenty Cinnamon highlighter matchstick thing, and this is my favorite highlighter of all time. I use this literally every time I do my makeup. I use this as a highlight, and I'm just going to put this on the high points of my face, so let my cupid's bow, my nose, and my cheekbones. I am shining today, wow. For the team, we wear like dark lips, so I don't have a dark lip on me right now, so I'm just gonna have to make something out of nothing. So for my lips, I'm going to be using the Luxury Intense lip liner, and we're gonna try and make a dark color out of my lips because I don't have anything dark right now. So I'm gonna be just using the Kylie matte liquid lipstick, and I'm just gonna use this to fill in my lips. So this is the outfit. This is what I usually wear to the games. I'm probably just gonna do like a half up, half down. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys quickly the little outfit that I'm wearing to game day. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little makeup game day routine. If you guys want more videos like this, where I'm just like vlogging my day at practice or stuff like that, please leave a comment down below. And yeah, don't forget to like this video and subscribe because I make new videos every single Friday. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.